Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, on my last video I did a gray yellow theme of a bed sitter, and most of you people said the rangi wa kamba. Okay, so today we are back with another house tour of a 2-bedroom house. And should I say the color, or should we just get right onto this? Let's get right onto this and you'll see for yourselves. As we start from the door, we have this small doormat that is colored navy blue, and it has some grayish in it and also some blacks in it. Moving to the curtains, we have this curtain that is colored mustard yellow, navy blue, and also some grayish. We have a white sheer that has yellow flowers. As you can see, the flowers really look good. And I really love, by the way, how this sheer looks. If you're going for a sheer and you need a colored one, you can go for something that has flowers like this one. Yeah, that is it for the shears. And also guys, if you're interested in staying in this house, it's an Airbnb located in Roysambu. You can text me on my number in the description box. And let's first move to the TV area before moving to the living room. So on the TV area, we have this large wallpaper that covers the whole TV area. As you can see, it's gray and has some prints. We have this cute wall art of a lion and its cubs. As you can see, it really looks nice. And then next to it, we have this large TV. I'm not sure about its inches, but it's really big, as you can see. And then on top of it, we have a wall light. We have a light on top of it that makes the front part of the TV area to look good, and also it enhances the lighting at the front part of the TV area. On the right side of the TV area, we have this cute wall art. Yeah, as you can see, it looks good and it's big. Then we have the TV stand, and as you can see, on top of it we have three speakers, and I really love how the TV stand looks, like the front part of it. I love how it looks, and actually I can advise the owner of this house to place some flower vases on top of the TV stand so that it can look nice. This is how the whole TV area looks. I was built to last when the webs are weaving. I could change the past with all. Moving to this side of the wall of the living room, we have these wall stickers. As you can see, they really look nice. And then you have this piece of art that was made from the wallpaper. This person was creative enough to make this.
I want to be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be.
Then we have this large window, and on the window we have these curtains. They're identical to the ones on the door that I already showed you. Same to the sheer curtains, they look the same. The sheer has yellow flowers. As you can see, the window is really large. We have this 7-seater couch that is navy blue in color, and I really love its color and its design, as you can see. And also on top of it, we have throw pillows that are yellow in color, and I really love how the yellow pops the color of the living room, as you can see. Yeah, it really looks nice. And also we have that one throw pillow that looks exactly the same as the curtains. This is exactly how it looks.
I want to be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money.
The carpet is identical to the one at the door, but now this one is big. It covers the living area. And then we have this glass coffee table, a small table. I love its design. And then on its side we have this chested stool. Is it a stool or a table? Let me rest my legs. Yeah, that is how it looks, and I really love it. So on this side of the wall, this is how this side of the wall of the living room looks. It has the big 5 wall art. And also we have a Wi-Fi router on that side of the wall. And then on top of it, we have that large wall art. So let me show you how the whole side of the wall looks.
Free one day from society's restraints, money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering.
Just next to the couch, we have this water dispenser where you can have your water clean. If you want it hot or warm, you can have it. And then next to it, we have an artificial plant with a white vase. And the artificial plant is white and green. And it really looks nice. And this is how the living room looks from this side of the house. Moving to this other side of the wall, we have the same wall stickers as the ones at the door. And also the person made a love heart art from the wallpapers. And I think the idea is nice, even though it's not that perfect, but I mean, it looks nice. It looks nice. And then next to it, we have a dining table. As you can see, we have the dining table. We have table mats on top of the table that really looks nice. I love its color. And then we have on top of the table, we have an artificial flower. It looks like oranges. Or what's this? Yeah, it looks like oranges, if I'm not wrong. They look like oranges. And then we have a serviette on top of the table. We have sugar. I guess someone was just having tea before I came in. Yeah, so guys, in case you're interested in staying in this Airbnb, kindly text me on my number in the description box. As you can see, the house really looks nice. Yeah, you can stay here as long as you want. And also guys, I'm sharing this video so that I can be an inspiration to someone out there who wants to set up their home and they have no idea where to start from. And also we have an open kitchen, as you can see from far. Let's get closer. Yeah, this is how the kitchen looks from the door. Yeah, right from the door we have a gas, a 4-burner cooker, as you can see. Then next to it we have a microwave where you can warm your food. And then we also have a fridge. Yeah, the fridge is a bit large. You can store your food in here as you stay in this house. Yeah, you can store your food in here. And if you want to warm the food, you can warm the food in the microwave. As you can see right now, there's no food. But if you come and stay here and you have your food, you can store it in there.
Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the heat.
As you move out of the kitchen, we have a 2-in-1 bathroom and toilet. As you can see, this is how it is, and this is how it looks. Outside, we have a carpet and a slippers, which you can use as you get inside the toilet or bathroom. And this is how it looks. It looks nice.
If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off.
And now let's move to the best part of this house that I really love the most, and it's the master bedroom. I really love this room. First, we have a carpet, a big carpet as you enter inside that is gray in color. And then we have these wardrobes that are really large and has a lot of storage in it. You can arrange all of your clothes, shoes, everything, and they will fit inside. At this corner of the room, we have two windows, and on the windows we have two curtains that are navy blue in color. And as you can see, as you can see, the curtains are navy blue, and I love how they look. They have some prints on it, and they really look nice.
On this topic, yeah, if I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is.
And then we have this small bedside drawer that is white in color, and I really love how it looks because of the gold handles that are placed on them. And actually, I can advise the owner of this house to place a bedside lamp, a bedside lamp on top of this side drawer, and I think it will look good. I can advise the owner of this house to add that one. Yes. And then on top of the bed we have this large wall art that really looks nice. And then we also have now this large bed that is 5 by 6 in size, and the bed looks just amazing. As you can see, the pillows looks nice. We have bed runners on it that really looks nice. Then we also have a towel on top of it, and I can say I really love this bed. 100%, I love this bed.
Everything is mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless, spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel correct?
Inside the master bedroom, we have a toilet. You don't have to use the outside toilet. You can use the toilet inside the master bedroom, and this is how it looks. It looks nice. On top of it, we have a take your time storage where you can store your toilet perfume, Harpic, or all the toilet cleaning materials, and that is how it looks. And this is how the toilet looks. And then outside we have this mirror and a sink where you can wash your hands after visiting the toilet. And now moving to the second room, as I told you, it's a 2-bedroom house. We have this second room, and as you can see, we have that gray carpet that is large, and it looks the same as the one in the master bedroom. That is how it looks. Don't mind, that's my ring light that I'm using as lighting to record this video. And then we have these wardrobes with storage, lots of storage where you can store your clothes and everything you've carried to this place. And then we have that one small window with navy blue curtains, the same as the ones in the master bedroom. And then now moving to the bed is navy blue in color. As we saw, the one in the master bedroom was yellow, but this one is navy blue in color. On top of it, we have an art. Yeah, as you can see, it looks nice. And that is it for this room. Actually, this room has nothing much. It has nothing much, but it looks good, and that is how it looks. Yeah, and so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed for more house tours videos, and bye. Let's meet on my next video.